This could be the vehicle you're looking for. The ultimate driving machine. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3-liter, 6-cylinder engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a retractable hardtop, a sunroof, electric trunk, digital radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control. Safety was made a priority with these features: xenon headlamps, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.